Did you know that there are many different ways to watch ADTV? On your TV, your desktop computer, your laptop, your tablet, or even your smartphone. This video will give you a brief introduction to the various methods available to watch ADTV. adtv.watch is our censorship-free platform that has been designed to work on all devices without the need to install anything. All that you need to do is open your internet browser and navigate to adtv.watch. adtv.watch offers our entire video library arranged by category, topic, and speaker. Once you have selected the video that you would like to watch, scroll down to find our study tools, including transcripts, bookmarks, and notes, as well as other resources available for that specific video. Click on the online streaming section to start watching our 24/7 stream.
So what compromises our immune system? Late nights.
Did you know that adtv.watch is mobile-friendly? So besides desktops and laptops, it also works on tablets and smartphones. adtv.watch is designed to help you make the most of all our content and take your studies to the next level. If you have an Android or Apple mobile device, consider using our mobile app, which can be installed from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just search for Amazing Discoveries. The mobile app is a great way to access our content and study tools while traveling or when you are away from your computer. Many videos in the app have extra resources such as transcripts, references, images, study guides, and ebooks. After you sign into the app, you can continue studying where you left off, because all your bookmarks and notes will be there. The mobile app has been designed to give you access to as many of the features of adtv.watch as possible.
The creative energy that called the worlds into existence is in the Word of God. This Word imparts power.
You will also find our 24/7 stream, our complete video library, including all our latest content, and much more. There are many options to watch our stream or any video in our library on your TV. If you already have an internet connection and a smart TV made by Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Samsung, or LG, then all you need to do is search for Amazing Discoveries in the App Store of any of those TVs, and then install our app. Many other TV manufacturers use Roku, Android TV, or Amazon Fire TV as operating systems on their smart TVs. If your TV uses one of these operating systems, you can also search for Amazing Discoveries in the App Store and then install our app. To check which operating system your smart TV uses, just turn off your TV and then turn it on again. During the startup process, the TV will usually show the logo of the operating system that it uses. Do you have a TV of another brand? Or a TV that is not a smart TV? No problem. You can buy a streaming device from Roku, Android TV, or Amazon Fire TV that gets plugged into an available HDMI port on your TV. We highly recommend a Roku device because Roku has minimal advertising and exposure to worldly content promotions. You can purchase these streaming devices for as little as $18 from Roku.com, Amazon.com, Walmart, Best Buy, and many other retail stores. On all our TV apps, you will find our 24/7 stream, as well as our complete video library arranged by category, speaker, and topic. To navigate the app, use the arrow keys on the remote, and then press the OK button to activate the selection. The back button on the remote will take you to the previous screen. If you live in the UK, you can find us on Freeview Channel 279 or Freely Channel 582. Whichever way you choose to watch ADTV, we hope that you will be abundantly blessed.